Now you can build an application worth $10,000 or more without any line of code, and I, as a former software developer, can prove it to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how, without any knowledge of IT and software development, you can build your own application and monetize it. And I will show you step by step how to set up, how to come with viral idea, and how to build and deploy to AppStore and Google Play your first application. And we're going to build it together in this video. Let's get started. What the application will be about? First of all, I'm consuming a lot of YouTube videos to gain a new knowledge, and it's important to me to spend as less time as possible. That's why I come up with the idea to create YouTube video translator. First of all, we copy a link for YouTube video and pass to the application. Second, application will transcribe and summarize it using AI like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, and then we will be able to listen this summary and do not spend a lot of time consuming the long videos. Now let's go and build it together. So, first of all, we need to create requirements. We ask ChatGPT that we are going to build an application with the following features and ask him to produce requirements for the app we can use then in Windsurf. So, copy this prompt. You have a link in the description for this prompt and apply it for ChatGPT. It's produced a formatted requirements we next use in Windsurf. Then, go to Windsurf website and download the application. You don't need to subscribe first. It has a free version with limited access and $50 per month. Open a folder you want to use for application and create a doc folder, then file requirements.md where we passed our requirements from ChatGPT. Then pass it and delete redundant fields. After you deleting redundant fields, pass technology stack from description below. Then write the following prompt. You need the application and you need a folder structure. It will create a folder structure and pass it inside the requirements file. It will use to produce our application. Then we start an Expo application and it creates the following structure. We just need to move docs inside my app folder or whatever name you have for your application. Next, you go to Start Expo and have a QR code you can scan with your iPhone. Just scan a QR code and you open an Expo Go application with no project inside. Then we ask Windsurf to build a real application following instructions from requirements.md file, step by step, and just wait until it produces necessary files. This you will have to accept some comments and file changes. Just click Run Comment or Accept All. Then I want to use super data to transcribe video from the link. It will integrate with API and you need just use an example file to copy your API key from the website. You can use a free subscription with store request per month. Just need to go inside and copy from settings your API key and store it in .env.example file. Then you need to rename this file to do not have an example in the name, just .env. Then accept all changes from Windsurf. During the building you can have some errors. You just need to click explain and fix, and it will fix and will find the problem and will fix for you. You just need to wait a little bit and error will gone after fixing from Windsurf. Just do not forget accept changes. Then to save our changes and be able to revert them, then we go to Git sidebar and click commit with some name of the commit. It will save and you can iterate. Then if you broke something, you go back to previous commit. Now go to mobbing.com and copy design you would love to use as an inspiration for your application. You copy it from the website and pass it inside the Windsurf and ask Windsurf to use these screenshots as an inspiration to design to have like nice looking view for your application. Then restart Expo and scan a code again and you will have updated design for your application. Just pass YouTube link and you have a transcription of your video because it was our first step. The next step will be using AI integration for ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Just write the following prompt and ask to create an integration with ChatGPT and DeepSeek using our requirements file. It will produce changes in your code. You just need accept is as previously, and you need also will be integrate with your API keys. So to integrate with API keys, you need to create an account in DeepSeek and ChatGPT and copy keys as it was for YouTube transcriber to end file. Then you can check it and try to copy YouTube video and pass it. And in the end, we will have a good summary from our video. The next step will be audio integration. Just ask Windsurf to produce some result. It suggests you to use expo speech. Just accept everything and run commands suggested to you and restart the application. And after this, you have these buttons and you can listen.
Brief overview. The video discusses the art of storytelling, emphasizing that effective storytelling is simpler than it seems.
So it's good, and you also can copy it. For the next part, we need to deploy it. For deployment, you have to have paid accounts as Apple developer or Google developer. It will cost you for Apple $100 per year and for Google $25 per year. I'll just ask Windsurf to integrate these Expo features for this and run the following commands. First of all, you need to use your Expo login and password to log into your dashboard and be able to create a project inside Expo Dev. After this, you can push your application to the service and it will store your project inside Expo application. Then after this, you can build and push it for AppStore and Google Play. Now you can see your application inside the Expo account. Then to create your account, you go to developer.apple.com and create an account. Then you need to sign up for developer program. Just click enroll and select your entity type. I am use Indevels and just click continue. Then accept terms and conditions and you will have an account. Thanks guys to watch this video to the end. I know it's not very easy to build your first application. It has a lot of errors and you need to fix them using Windsurf. But the idea is the more you build, the more you understand how it works. And also in the next videos, I will show you how to build not only a mobile application but the web one. I think it could be easier in case of design and browser compatibility. So if you're interested in it, drop the idea what will be the web app about and we will build it together. Thank you. Bye bye.